Hi, welcome to tip number 18. I expect you're wondering why I've got a pot of manky old toothbrushes in front of you, but I find toothbrushes very useful as cleaning tools in the shed, especially when you're cleaning up greasy and oily parts like bits of car and so on. Very useful for scrubbing bits on the lathe. That one's permanently a lathe toothbrush. I use it to apply this cutting gunk. It's kind of useful on the lathe, but they've got a multitude of uses. As I said on my vacuum video a couple of days ago, I used to use them for cleaning out my T-slots, but it was always a bit of a slow process. But they still have applications, and I mean this one's been used for silicone by the looks of it at some stage, applying it to something. But I mean, they're free and they're quite good brushes, so you know, don't throw them away, find a use, reuse things as much as you can, and thanks for watching.